Today we learn small letters. A. A for apple.
A for apple.
B. B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
C. C for car.
C for car.
D. D for drum.
D for drum.
E. E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F. F for fan.
F for fan.
G. G for goat.
G for goat.
H. H for hen.
H for hen.
I. I for ink.
Ink.
J. J for jackfruit.
J for jackfruit.
K. K for king.
K for king.
L. L for lamp.
L for lamb.
M. M for mango.
M for mango.
N. N for nest.
N for nest.
O. O for octopus.
O for octopus.
P. P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q. Q for quill.
Q for quail.
R. R for rose.
R for rose.
S. S for sun.
S for sunflower.
T. T for tomato.
T for tomato ketchup.
U. U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V. V for violin.
V for violin.
W. W for wall.
W for wall.
X. X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y. Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z. Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
Now we learn capital letters. A. A for apple.
A for apple.
B. B for ball.
B for ball.
C. C for candle.
C for candle.
D. E for dinosaur.
D for dinosaur.
E. E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F. F for fruits.
F for fruits.
G. G for guava.
G for guava.
H. H for hen.
H for hen.
I for infant.
I for infant.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K for ketchup.
K for ketchup.
L for ladder.
L for ladder.
M for mittens.
Mittens. M for mittens.
N for nib.
Nib. N for nib.
O for orange.
Orange. O for orange.
P for pigeon.
P for pigeon.
Q for quiet.
Q for quiet.
R for robot.
R for robot.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for train.
T for train.
U for empire.
U for empire.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for whale.
Whale. W for whale.
X for xeros.
X for zeros.
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.